Hi minasan, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Abby Corinne, your Philly neighborhood nerd, and we are back with Chainsaw Man. This is episode 7 called A Taste of a Kiss. So, who's kissing who? But yeah, I'm really ready to jump into this one. We left off in a really good spot. Let's see, Kobeni being crazy and stabbing Aki. Not on purpose, but still stabbing him. And then Denji has jumped into the mouth of the Eternity Devil, which was really cool. And you know, again, I read the manga after that episode, and just like it's just cool to see it animated because you know, in the manga you only get, there's some scenes that are great like manga version, and there's some scenes that are great like anime version, and there's some that are both, but that was a really cool like anime version, I think, or you know, adaptation to the manga, because just seeing him just like kind of fall in this vortex of like hands and mouths, and it was cool. It was really cool. So I'm excited to see where it goes from here. But yeah, so we're gonna jump in. So if you'd like to check out the full reaction to this episode, you can find it on my Patreon, and don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, I don't like owing people as well. This bass. This is so crazy. With the screaming and the rock. One sec, I gotta watch this. Oh, this is crazy. Ow. This music. Oh yeah, it's just, it won't stop though. So he's probably gonna tire out. I suppose ill. Yeah. See, we need to have little packets for them. Be like, here. Ooh. Ow. That is a way to start this. Shit. It's gonna be hard for me to try. Okay, I gotta do this, because if I hear the song, I'm just gonna like keep dancing and not talk to you about my thoughts. I also want to know, how do other devils know about Denji, like, being Chainsaw Man? Like, is there a leak or a rat somewhere? Because it's just like, I feel like any devil who knew about Denji were the ones that he like fought and killed. Like, none of them escaped. So like, how are like devils finding out about him and like wanting his heart now? Like, who sent the message out? I'd like to know. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to this amazing song at the best part. All right, can we help him somehow? Ugh, it's like leeches almost. Or I guess they're trying to tear him apart. Oh no. Ye gads. Okay, I didn't realize he could feast upon devil blood. Oh my god. That's okay. Then Denji power, best people to have around. Maybe he's on to something. I mean, just think about that. At least in this world. I like these flashbacks. I think this show edits it really well. Ooh, got me. I was so relaxed in that. Can we get this one off our shoulder, please? Did he twist his neck? Or did they twist his neck? Is it though? Oh, that's the ghost? Love this ghost. Love it. She's... I mean, the thing you're fighting is the source of your energy. Might as well. That's like a good... Right. She's excited about it. That's awesome. Hey, I'm excited with you. Saw the guts just covering the camera or the lens. That's fun. So does that mean we can hopefully get off this floor if it's so weak like this? Oh. Everyone. We need like a morale thing. Chop chop everyone. Is it? Like you guys still are trapped? Damn. You best apologize. Already. He's so funny. Yay! Yay! We did it! We're free! Woo! Oh, that devil was begging. Like, please, here's my heart. Oh, man. Oh, thanks for catching him. He needs a rest. Jeez. I love that. Oh, this transition was fab. And getting drunk. We're getting, I mean, I'd be here. Let's eat some food. Let's have some drinks. Mine. Oh, she's adorable. Oh yeah, we're doing a little French kiss, right? I mean, she certainly changed her tune. Couple drinks. Fushi? Oh damn. Rest in peace. She's just drunk. Yeah, she's a lightweight. And she's still drinking, this girl. Oh, damn. Just luscious. He's conflicted. Two beautiful ladies. Glad we're thinking about this. Okay. Let's get to it. We drinking. She should be cut off or... Yes. But I feel like, yeah, okay, at least she's sleeping it off now. Is she even human? Is she even human? What's going on here? Hour. Oh, we're going for it. Hey. I mean, when the opportunity is right, just drinking. But when the opportunity is there, you know, when it's knocking. This is his second kiss, but the first kiss with tongue. At least they... I'm not gonna throw up. Oh no. Ugh, that's so gross. I'm like gonna throw up. Or let me have some water. Ooh, that's making... Ooh. Yeah, I was about... Let's not anymore. I feel like I'm gonna blow some chunks myself. I'm just trying not to throw up. Yeah, no. Can you get this man some water? Ugh. All his dreams are not living up to what he thought, like the boobies. Well, I mean, he got to, but one time it was with, oh Lord. Is Aki out too? So funny. She's so chill here now when her life is not in danger. Probably still throwing up. Oh. Just no more puking, please. If I think about it too much, I'm just gonna get sick, so I need to just not. Is she better now? This is cool. She has another beer. Should we not? No more! No more! No more! No more! The beer. Okay. What's our night gonna be like? Hold on here. I get you, girl. It's frustrating when all the guys like one girl in particular. Just no more vomit. I'm just so traumatized. I don't want any more puke. She sings. Oh. Let's do it. This is cool. This like 90s. Yay. Oh, goodness gracious. How do I feel about that? It was like, I'm super happy we figured it out with the Eternity Devil. Like, yay, Denji. He like at least now knows he can access the devil's blood as like sustenance so that he can keep on. But that devil like was just like, hold on, I give up. Red flag here. Here's my neck. Like, put me out of my misery. So that was kind of anticlimactic, but it's just, you know, but I mean, like, hey, Denji's crazy, like what they were saying. So he's gonna go all out until he can't no more. So there you go. But I'm glad they brought the or at least Aki brought up the question of like, you know, how are they knowing about him? What kind of word of mouth is going around? Also giving the advice of like, don't tell people the contracts that you make, which I think is pretty smart. You know, don't do that. Know who, trust who you're telling that to. God, that barf thing. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, barf is the one. That's the one thing I hate. Like, I can change a baby's diaper easy. I can like pick up dog poop. I can pee, doesn't bother me. Snot, not whatever. But the barfing. Ugh. So poor Denji. This was his experience. He just can't get a break. Nothing works for him. Pochita's like, what shit is this? Ooh, but yeah, I'm very much looking forward to the next episode. I don't know if I want to read this chapter to see that visual again. It's too much. It's too much for me. But yeah, this is great. Very, very exciting to see what happens next. And it's cool to just like see everyone kind of here together. Like, you know, kicking it. But again, this also brings Himeno kind of, I think, has the right idea to be like questioning about Makima. I don't know what's going to go on with Makima, but she does seem, I mean, we kind of knew she was shady, but like, what is she really hiding? I think that's the question, you know, that we'd like to see get answered sometime soon. So all you manga readers, I'm sure you know, so don't spoil, please. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next reaction. Bye.